Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss the 10th class English poem The Solitary Reaper, written by William Wordsworth. Could you understand? We have already discussed its objective type questions. Today, now we will discuss the long questions and answers. And those questions and answers are published by BSc Board, Odisha BSc Board, named Pariksha Darpana. You understand? So now let's move to the question answer. So question 1 is discuss the significance, Gurutva, Jathartha. Discuss means alochana karo. Discuss the significance of the title. Title means Shironama. କବିତାଟିର ଶିରୋନାମା of the poem The Solitary Reaper. Justify ଯଥାର୍ଥ ପ୍ରତିପାଦନ କର the title ଶିରୋନାମାଟି The Solitary Reaper. Answer. The poem's title and theme କବିତାଟିର ଶିରୋନାମା ଏବଂ ବିଷୟବସ୍ତୁ କଥାବସ୍ତୁ are based on ଆଧାରିତ based means ଆଧାରିତ on the fact that once in the course of his walking tours of Scotland tour ପକେଇଥିବା ବେଳେ William Wordsworth the poet and his sister came across a solitary reaper. ଗୋଟେ solitary reaper କୁ ଭେଟିଲେ ଦେଖିଲେ. A young Highland lass, and that solitary reaper was a young Highland lass. Lass means a young girl. Who was reaping and binding corns, ଯିଏକି ଅମଳ କରୁଛି ଏବଂ କର୍ନ ଶସ୍ୟ ବାନ୍ଧୁଛି. And it was the harvest time, ଯେହେତୁ ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଅମଳ ଋତୁ. Harvest means ଅମଳ, you know. As she was working peacefully, ଏକାକୀ ନିରବରେ କାମ କରୁଛି, all by herself, ନିଜେ ନିଜେ ଏକୁଟିଆ, she was singing, ସେ ଗୀତ ଗାଉଛି. Her song had a touch of sadness, ତାର ଗୀତରେ ଦୁଃଖ କାତରର ସ୍ପର୍ଶ ଅଛି. ଟଚ୍ means ସ୍ପର୍ଶ. The memory of this lonely girl and the melancholy notes, sad note, ଦୁଃଖଦ ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛନା, ଏ ଗୀତର ଦୁଃଖଦ ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛନା of her song remained with the poet for all the time, ସବୁଦିନ ପାଇଁ ଛାପ ହେଇକି ରହିଗଲା. Wordsworth's poem The Solitary Reaper somehow immortalized, ମାନେ ଅମର କରିଦେଲା. ହେର୍ ତାକୁ ଅମର କରିଦେଲା. Made her song immortal, even remember, ତା ସ୍ମୃତିରେ ସଦାବେଳେ ଚାରଣ ହେଲା. Or we can write like this. Once poet William Wordsworth walking through the Highland of Scotland ଯାଉଥିଲେ. He saw a lone girl, a lone girl, ଏକୁଟିଆ ଗୋଟିଏ ଝିଅ, cutting and binding crops. She was singing a melancholy song or a sad song. The poet was impressed with her sweet note. ତାର ସେ ମଧୁର ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛନା ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ସ୍ୱରରେ ପୁରା impressed, ଆତ୍ମବିଭୋର ହୋଇଥିଲେ. He stopped, ଅଟକିଲେ, and listened the girl's song. It left a lasting impression, everlasting impression. That is everlasting, ଚିରଦିନ ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରଭାବ ପକାଇଦେଲା, impression, ଛାପ ପକାଇଦେଲା. In a poet's mind, and the poet could not help but writing a poem on the solitary reaper girl, giving the title The Solitary Reaper. He did so because she could not understand the theme of the song but the melody. The melody mesmerized him and he wrote it. Next one is what drew? Question number 2. What did I say? Question number 2. Yes. Question number 2. What drew the attention? Drawn, आकर्षण कला. The attention means दृष्टि, attention दृष्टि of the poet towards adoku the repair ଅମଳକାରୀ ଆଡ଼କୁ answer the girl's voice means ସ୍ୱର was extremely melodious ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମଧୁର ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛନା ଥିଲା and she sang a sorrowful song ଗୋଟେ sorrowful means ଦୁଃଖଦାୟକ ଗୀତ ଗାଉଥିଲା the poet was so enthusiastic that he is impressed or excited ଏତେ ଉତ୍ତେଜିତ ହୋଇଉଠିଥିଲେ ସେଇଥିରେ ଏତେ ସେ ଆତ୍ମବିଭୋର ହୋଇଉଠିଥିଲେ to listen to the sound that he stopped for a while କିଛି କ୍ଷଣର ଅଟକିଲେ on his way and listened to her song though he could not understand the matter ବିଷୟବସ୍ତୁ ନ ବୁଝି of the song the girl was singing in a dialect ଗାଉଁଲି ଭାଷାରେ dialect that the poet did not know what the sweet music of this song drew his attention ତାର ଆକର୍ଷଣ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଆକର୍ଷଣ କଲା towards the solitary repair. Question number 3. How does the poet bring out the beauty of the song of the solitary repair? Okay. The poet compares her song to sweet notes of the nightingale and the cuckoo, both birds that sing in romantic, ramya or riti surrounding pariveshtani. The song of the nightingale is a very sweet and enjoyable sound to the tired travelers ପଥଶ୍ରାନ୍ତ ଯାତ୍ରୀମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ as it signifies ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱାରୋ40that they are approaching ନିକଟକୁ ହୋଇ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ଓସିସ୍ ମରୁ ଉଦ୍ୟାନ the song of the cuckoo bird brings joy to the listener ଶ୍ରୋତା ମଣ୍ଡଳୀ ପାଖକୁ ଆନନ୍ଦ ଆଣି ଦେଉଛି after the long cold winter ଦୀର୍ଘ ଦିନର ଥଣ୍ଡା ପରେ ଜାଡ଼ ପରେ the long song of the repair arouses ଉଦ୍ରେକ କରୁଛି the same feeling ସେଇ ଅନୁଭୂତି of pleasure ଏଣେଯାଏ ଆନନ୍ଦ ଏବଂ ଖୁସି in the poet କବିଙ୍କ ମନରେ next one is that is 4 in the poem the solitary repair the poet says will no one tell me what she sings why does he ask this question what conclusion ଉପସଂହାର ଶେଷ ସିଦ୍ଧାନ୍ତ ଶେଷ କଥା does conclusion means does he drew about the song since the narrator is not familiar ପରିଚିତ ଯେହେତୁ since means ଯେହେତୁ narrator କବି or ବ୍ୟାଖ୍ୟାକାର or the poet is not familiar with the dialect କଥିତ ଭାଷା dialect means or he is too far to catch the words ସେ ବୁଝିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି of the song he is unable to understand the theme of the maiden's song he is nevertheless କିନ୍ତୁ attracted by the song ତା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆକର୍ଷିତ ହୋଇଛନ୍ତି and concludes ଶେଷ ସିଦ୍ଧାନ୍ତରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଛନ୍ତି about its theme ତାର ବିଷୟବସ୍ତୁ ଉପରେ as the tune is a melancholy one ଯେହେତୁ ସ୍ୱରଟା ହେଉଛି ଦୁଃଖଦ he feels this song could be about some unhappy memories ଅସୁଖକର ସ୍ମୃତି ହେଇଥିବ or sad event ଦୁଃଖଦାୟକ ଘଟଣା ହେଇଥିବ in history for example a battle fought in the past it may even be about some current topic some loss or pain the solitary repair has undergone or may still suffer ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣା ଭୋଗ କରୁଥିବ full stop right thank you next one is 5 in the poem the poet in the poem 1 minute in the poem the poet mentions ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିଛନ୍ତି two places ଦୁଇଟି ସ୍ଥାନ what are they ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ and what is their significance ତାର ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ କ'ଣ in the poem the poet mentions ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିଛନ୍ତି two places namely the Arabian desert ଆରବର ମରୁଭୂମି as well as the Hebrides Iceland on the west coast of Scotland their significance ତାର ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ lies in their geographical locations and is solitary repair song is overflowing these places ପୁରା ମୁଖରିତ କରିଦେଉଛି ଉଚ୍ଛୁଳିତ କରିଦେଉଛି a first he mentions at first sorry I said a first no at first ପ୍ରଥମେ he mentions ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିଛନ୍ତି how the solitary reaper's song is like a welcome note ସ୍ୱାଗତ ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ସ୍ୱାଗତ ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛନା to a very Samakranta Pathasanta Thoka bend up travelers in the Arabian desert. Then he mentions ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିଛନ୍ତି how the musical sounds ସାଙ୍ଗୀତିକ ସ୍ୱର of a song spreads ଚାରିଆଡ଼େ ପ୍ରଚାରିତ ପ୍ରସାରିତ ହେଇଛି as far ବିକ୍ଷିପ୍ତ ହେଇଛି as far as the farthest islands of Scotland. This means that the poem was soothing ବୋଲେ ଶାନ୍ତି ପ୍ରଦାୟକ ମନକୁ ପ୍ରଶାନ୍ତି ପ୍ରଦାୟକ and its reach was far और ପହଞ୍ଚଟା ବହୁତ ଦୂର right. Question number 6. What does the Nightingale's song do? Why has the poet compared the Nightingale's song to that of the solitary reaper? Answer. The Nightingale's song welcomes and soothes ଶାନ୍ତି ଦିଏ ସ୍ୱାଗତ ଜଣାଏ the tried travelers ପ୍ରଥଶାନ୍ତ ଯାତ୍ରୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ପଥିକମାନଙ୍କୁ as they reach the oasis ମରୁଦ୍ୟାନରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ପହଞ୍ଚନ୍ତି. The song of the Nightingale and the reaper's song has been compared by the poet as the arouse feeling arouse ଉଦ୍ରେକ ମନ ଭିତରେ ଜାଗ୍ରତ କରିବା ଉଦ୍ରେକ କରିବା feeling of pleasure ଆନନ୍ଦ ସୁଖର ଅନୁଭୂତି ଉଠଉଛି. The tried travelers get pleasure and forget ଖୁସି ପାଆନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଦୁଃଖ ଭୁଲି ଯାଆନ୍ତି ଦେଇ ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣା ପେଇନ୍ they forget their pain after a long travel by the Nightingale's song. ତା ଗୀତ ଶୁଣି ସବୁ ଦୁଃଖ ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣା ଭୁଲି ଯାଆନ୍ତି. Here the poet has the same feeling by the listening the song of the solitary reaper. Next one is 7. What effect does this music have on the poet? How is the poet able to hear this music even after the maiden has stopped singing? ଅବିବାହିତ ଝିଅଟିର ଗୀତଟି ବନ୍ଦ କଲା ପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ତାଙ୍କ ପ୍ରଭାବ. Answer. The sweet music of the song ଏ ଯେଉଁ ମଧୁର ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛନା ଗୀତଟିର ମଧୁର ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛନା mesmerizes ବିଭୋର କରିଦେଇଛି ବିମୋହିତ କରିଦେଇଛି the poet and he stops to listen to it. He carries the memory of the song in his heart. ତାଙ୍କ ହୃଦୟରେ ସେଇ ଗୀତର ସ୍ମୃତିଟାକୁ ବହି ନେଇଛନ୍ତି long after he moves on his way. ତାଙ୍କ ରାସ୍ତା ଚାଲିଯିବା ପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଠାରୁ ଚାଲିଯିବା ପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ. The poet carries the music as an unforgettable ଅଭୁଲା memory ସ୍ମୃତି in his heart ତାଙ୍କ ହୃଦୟରେ. It becomes a source of bliss. ଏହା ପରମାନନ୍ଦର ଗୋଟେ ଉତ୍ସ ହେଇଯାଇଛି for the poet କବିଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ as the sweet music got stored in the memory in his memory right his memory. Question number 8. Why does the speaker fail to understand the song of the solitary highland lass? ଗୀତଟା ବୁଝିପାରିନାହାନ୍ତି କାହିଁ in words right was poem the solitary reaper. The solitary highland lass means young girl is singing a song in a language ଭାଷା that the speaker is not familiar with. ସେଇଟା ସୁପରିଚିତ ନୁହନ୍ତି. It was a different language ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା ପ୍ରକାର ଭାଷା and an unfamiliar regional dialect ଆଞ୍ଚଳିକ କଥିତ ଭାଷା right ଗାଉଁଲି ଭାଷା କଥିତ ଭାଷା or ଗାଉଁଲି ଭାଷା right. This is why her song is incomprehensible. That means hard to understand, difficult to understand. That is only abodhya to the speaker. Next question. Overplaying with sound मुखरित और उछुड़िबा. What does it mean? The solitary highland girl reaping and singing by herself. ସେ ଏକା ଏକା ଅମଳ କରୁଛି ଗୀତ ଗାଉଛି. The voice of her song is so thrilling ଏତେ ପୁଲକ ପ୍ରଦାୟକ ଲୋମ ଟାଙ୍କୁରା that it is overflowing ମୁଖରିତ ହେଉଛି. What? ଉଛୁଳି ପଡ଼ୁଛି the valley ଉପତ୍ୟକାରେ ମୁଖରିତ ହେଉଛି. Its sound is more thrilling than that of nightingale and cuckoo bird. ଏହି ପକ୍ଷୀମାନଙ୍କଠାରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଅଧିକ ପୁଲକଦାୟକ. Question number 10. What are the poet's first thoughts? ଚିନ୍ତା ମାନେ ଭାବଧାରା when he saw the solitary reaper. The poet was so moved by the reaper working all alone in the fields singing her song that he felt the scene means ଦୃଶ୍ୟ should not be disturbed. ତାକୁ ଆମେ disturb ବିଗାଡ଼ିବା ଉଚିତ ନୁହଁ. The slightest ଟିକିଏ ଲେସ ମାତ୍ର ନଏଜ୍ ଶବ୍ଦ ଉଡ୍ ବି ଜିୟରିଂ ବ୍ୟାହତ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବିଂ ବ୍ୟାହତ ହେବ ରାଇଟ୍ ଗେଡ଼ମେଡ଼ କରିଦେବ ଗଡ଼ମଡ଼ କରିଦେବ ସବୁକିଛି ସୋ ହି ଷ୍ଟୁଡ୍ ଦେୟାର କ୍ୱେଟଲି ନୀରବରେ ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଲେ ୱାଚିଂ ହେର୍ ଏଟ୍ ହେର୍ ୱାର୍କ ସେ କାମ କରୁଥିବାର ଦେଖିଲେ with this that is the end of today's English class that means the discussion of long short and long question and answers of Parikha the book Parikha Darpana published by BSc Board Orissa. We shall discuss the other prose and poems in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.